Hello. Today I will be teaching you how to remove the hard drive from an HP Notebook 11-3000 HP 11. First, you want to make sure you've removed all your screws. Next, you want to make sure you remove the battery. Remove the battery. Remove the disk drive. Then you want to remove the external capacitating switch. Then you're going to want to remove the coffee maker, the spice rack, and finally, the water filter. Now we can move on to removing the backing. Let's get on to that. So we've been having trouble getting the back off. Now that the backing has been removed, as you can see, we got the hard drive right here. You need to remove the hard drive and give that a good blow. And once you've blown on it, and you just really want to let it sit for a few seconds, then you want to reinstall the hard drive. Simple as that. And then your computer should be working just as new, just brand new. Now that the hard drive has been reinstalled, your computer should now work fully functionally, good as new.